Hello friends, Running Kimono. So we're going to be looking at a couple deals, doing them as a curbside pickup. If you want to do it alternatively in store, I know for this specific product it's a couple more bucks, but hey, whatever your comfort level is. So you order this through your telephone or desktop computer, you drive to the store and go and pick it up. That is what a curbside pickup is. Usually it's at the photo counter. They'll have your order, or wherever they might have it in the store, but we're talking curbside prices. So the NEXXUS shampoo, it's always cheaper on curbside. It's $11.99. And there's a whole bunch of little coupons that are attaching with this product. And this is also on a promotion of buy 20, get back 10. That is a spend promotion, so you must use your debit, credit card, or bills for the balance for this one. Just to give you a sneak peek, here is the $4. There's also one that's a 4 off of 2, so make sure you unclip that one because you want the larger ones per item to come off, such as this 4 off of 1, along with this really nice 5 off of 1. So these have been showing up the last week or so I've been loading them. But there's also that booby trap of the 4 off of 2, so please unload that because you'd rather have $9 of savings instead of $4 of savings. Now, if you might have this guy too, this would work perfectly with this deal, which is 5 back when you spend 20, and this is a digital, so with a curbside that would stack beautifully with. I already used mine yesterday, so I don't get to use it, but I'll figure something else out. So anyhow, grabbing 2 of these shampoos. Conditioners always so much more in this line. I do not know why, but 2 of the shampoos is $23.98. Now, as you could see, the 5 off and the 4 off are coming off beautifully for this. And yeah, so I don't know why, but in this specific line, the conditioner is so expensive. Like it must be made out of gold or something like that because it is just really expensive. So looking at the math here, we have the 2 shampoos. We're doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. We have the Michigan tax right there. And then we have $9 of manufacturers. We have the 4 off and the 5 off. That equals 9. So with the tax, it's $16.42. I'm going to charge that to my debit card, or I could use PayPal, whatever I want. My estimated cash back is 10. I'm getting back 10 for spending 20 on NEXXUS. So basically it shakes it out to $3.98 for the 2, which is still a really good price point. So $1.99 per shampoo. Now, if you have that 5 off booster, it's going to make this guy a freebie. Of course, you're going to have to pay the tax, but you're getting back like $15. So it will make it a freebie, which is really nice. And if you will be doing this in store, guys, I think the price point for these shampoos is like $13.99. But with inflation, it might have gotten like raised a lot in the last week or so. I know at Rite Aid, they raised the price of NEXXUS specifically like really crazy high. So you'll have to wait and see. But I think Curbside's probably your best bet to get this for $11.99 per shampoo. Okay, the next little item that we're going to look at is one of these fancier Bic Soleil razors for $5.99. So that is the sales price this week. We have a $5 digital coupon dropping this guy down to 99 cents. So you can do this in store or curbside. It is your choice, but that is the price in store as well. And this is the digital coupon right here. If you're an avid Dollar General shopper, you would pass on this one because we always get razors for next to nothing with the 5 off of 25. But if you love Walgreens, this might be a deal for you. Also with this little deal, if you live in a super rural or tiny town, I think they got rid of the Bic Soleil line out of a lot of stores because they were liquidating to make it 20% less merchandise in certain stores in certain markets. And I know, for example, like this, it's not found in rural Michigan. No, sir, not found at all. Okay, the next little freebie that we have, and you can do this in store or online, is these FEBREZE plugs. So it is just the plug. It is exactly $3 this week. And we have a $3 digital coupon, and it just zeroes it out to free. And here it is. So you have up until Saturday to get this if you wish to get one of these little plugs. It doesn't have the scent booster in it, but it's just the plug. So I threw both of them in the basket. And as you can see, both of those digital coupons came off. Now I know for curbside pickup, there's usually a limit that you have to buy at least $10 of merch for the curbside to happen. For whatever reason, that, the little barcode saying you need to buy $10, that wasn't showing up for me this morning. So if you were buying this basket at $8.99, you're shy from the 10, so you'd have to get like $1 and some change, maybe get a candy bar or something. But just to show you the math, yes, everything does work out for the Bic razor along with that FEBREZE plug. So you're just basically paying the tax and the balance of the razor. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about before I take off, a subscriber, Lily, shout out to her and a big thank you. She went and did my Domino's gift card deal to get the two $15 Domino's gift cards plus a $10 Walgreens gift card. Now, she told me specifically with this one, this very plain looking one with the big Walgreens logo. With this one, it works. So just to show you her receipt real quick, boom, there it is. So thank you for doing this, Lily, because I wasn't going to do it a second time. So to see the receipts, I know it's going to help out a lot of people. Nice little stocking stuffer, 2 pizza cards for stockings, and then that $10 gift card, pour vous, the Walgreens shopper. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.